Hey, everybody. Wardlord of Waco Wednesdays coming right back at ya. Books of the Bible, yeah.
We got Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy.
Good job. Going.
Joshua, Judges, Ruth, First Samuel, Second Samuel.
Keep going. Good job.
Got First King, Second King.
Look at the camera.
First Chronicles, Second Chronicles, Edward. Got Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs.
Good job. Keep going.
Got Ecclesiastes, Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation.
All right.
Got Ziegler, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, and Ruth. We got Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk.
All right.
Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi, and Old Testament.
Old Testament. Good job. Give me kisses. Mwah. You know your books of the Bible. So that was a little bit of Daddy Academy. It was kind of on the fly. We're waiting for Mommy to get off of work, and Anastasia wanted to show you guys what we do at Daddy Academy. So that's another lesson. Hey.
Somebody called.
Somebody is texting. Oh wow. Somebody texted me. Our cousin Tate. Yeah, we went to Houston and stuff.
I remember him.
You remember him?
He was at my birthday party.
That's our cousin Tate. He lives in Houston. So I just want to check on him.
I was talking like Tate.
You're talking about Tate and
no, I was talking like Corley.
Corley and Tate, right? Those are our friends. But we just want to give you guys an update and wanted to highlight my beautiful 3-year-old smart girly this week on Wardlord of Waco Wednesday. So books of the Bible, Old Testament. Check this out here. A moose. You know your books of the Bible?
Yeah.
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 Books of the Bible. Books of the Bible.
We already said it one time.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess I should hit the red button now, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Justice, you want to say hi? You been over here. You want to say your books of the Bible? Say Genesis. Say Exodus. Leviticus. Numbers. Deuteronomy.
She did it.
Joshua. Judges.
She's not singing it.
Ruth.
That.
First Samuel. Second Samuel.
She didn't say it.
She's not.
Nope.
You ever get mad at your toddler or your infant for getting sweet potato all over the car seat? It's not funny.
It's
You
not
got
funny.
it all over your clothes and your hair.
Yeah. And your car seat too.
And your car seat too.
Both got Miss, we got to clean those. We put your shirt in the washing machine, and then clean your hair in the bath, and your lips.
Wardlaw to Waco Messy Wednesdays, guys.
I'm so angry.
Hey, say what you just said to me again.
Okay.
So I can catch it on camera.
Okay.
Oh, you want to act like that?
It's cause you looking all sexy with your little haircut.
We have a pterodactyl in the back, everybody. Anyways, listen, this is Wardlaw to Waco Wednesdays. It's part 2. Brittany's in the car now. So I basically left my computer at home. We have technical difficulties, so we have to do everything we did earlier. So I will show you guys just really quickly what came in the mail. What is this? What is this? What is this? Tell me what it is, babe.
It's our papers to close in Virginia.
We've had them notarized. I had it on camera earlier, but again, technical difficulty. Now we are about to send them back, and our house will be closing Friday. So praise the Lord. We're closing 459. And then we are coming to the East Coast.
We coming to see y'all.
Everybody, we are coming back to Lynchburg. We're gonna be doing a stop in New Jersey. This is the Wardlaw to Waco's East Coast tour.
East Coast tours, right?
New Jersey, DC, Lynchburg, Richmond,
DC
probably.
is just the land of playing. Well, that's not true. We're gonna see Grandma.
See Grandma.
Yeah, we are gonna see.
So, we just want to give you guys an update or a heads up. Please, we want to see everybody, or we want to see as many people as we can. However, meet us halfway.
Limited.
Yeah, travel options are very limited. We won't have a car.
So people will be escorting us. So if you
Yes.
really want to see us, you make arrangements to get to us. Otherwise, we're going to have to FaceTime. We'll catch you on East Coast Tour Part 2.
Right. What else? Anastasia had a great week at school. Justice, she's about to get teeth. I'm sure it's coming soon. I don't know when. Brittany, any updates on your side?
I got married. So I got raised, y'all.
Brittany got a raise, everybody.
Woo, woo. Give it up for merit. Give it up for Baylor.
More money.
Annual merit. Good performance.
It's because she's a great worker.
And they say, hey, we like you. We want to keep you. You're doing good work. Here's some extra money.
Bam, like that. So we fly out Saturday. We'll keep you guys posted. I'm sure it won't be just Wardlaw to Waco Wednesdays. It'll be vlogging every day. So stay up with us. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Share and like on Facebook. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I'm about to get myself open. Oh, we back on?
We back on. Look at you.
Whipping this car around the corner, making turns. No GPS.
No GPS.
Driving like I live here.
Look at you. Look at you. I was like, wait, where we going? Get that dirt off your shoulder. You gotta get that dirt off your shoulders.
Always take it up.
I know, I do take it up a notch. That's what I do. Cause you next level, girl. You are so next level. Come here. You about to get that lip waxed and that eyebrows did.
He's gonna put me out like that.
I'm just saying, babe. It's been a while.
He's gonna put me out though.
Been a while. She's got little caterpillars growing on her face.
Ain't nobody talk about your little fur baby on your head.
I know. I'm fresh though now.
I hate your guts.
Stupid. Oh, I know. I missed it.
Good.
Man.
Good.
Next time. I was too slow. Caterpillar's gone, y'all. The caterpillar's gone. So yeah, we're at Sarah. Everybody getting the hair. It's Miss Sarah.
How are you? So cute.
Hey, thank you.
So cute.
Hey.
Oh my God, I'm so happy.
This is who takes care of my wife's caterpillars and her furry face and just. Ooh, look at. Let me kiss you.
They're about to have domestic violence on camera.
Let me kiss you. Let me kiss your lip. It looks so good, girl.
Yeah, and I'm glad I can see your face.
Look at your
Oh my
eyebrows.
goodness, you have dimples. I can't believe this. Your face is a big round ball.
Brittany not loving me, y'all. All right, that's it. No more vlogging.